Welcome, they call me Big Herc, and on this channel you will see basic motorcycle install videos, wind therapy, vlogging, just our motorcycle life, enjoying each other's company and meeting new people and going to new places. My adventurous side exploring life with my not so adventurous wife, but we enjoy doing things together and it's a match made in heaven. Welcome back. It's your man here, Big Hurricane, here with another episode on the channel. Today we're going to be doing another install. I bought this one to see how much I can save or cut off my 8-mile time at the track. Some people are going to laugh at me, but hey, it's mine. Today we're going to be installing carbon fiber shift linkage. Should be able to save some time off of it. It's made by Trask, or it's through Trask Performance. I ordered it. I don't know. It's one of the other things I wanted to add, but I've also added a different kickstand. I got me a Performance Machine kickstand, but I got that. Also gonna be finally put me a heel toe shifter on. I went with the Streamline just to mess the floorboard that's already on the bike. I've thought about changing and going to a different collection, but since everything was already on the Streamline, I just decided to stick with it. The tubes, I already got them laid out. Gonna need this one. This is a 3/16 to actually get the nut off on the toe shifter. I got a 7/16 that is gonna break off the nut on the back side of it. This should be a straightforward install. Let me see if these on the Trask, what are they? 7/16 also. So let's get started. What I didn't have over here with me was my magnetic tray. First thing I'm gonna do is break this one free first. You'll have to hold it. Gonna break this and get this out of the way. My bike didn't have a heel shifter on it when I bought it, so I put this extra. Oh, I guess it didn't got it up far enough. Take it all the way out. Let's see if that was any better. Yep. Put this on there. I think it was Kuriokin, just so it would fill up that gap. Don't know if I'm gonna like that heel shifter, but I'm gonna try it. I know it'll help me at the track. There's been a few times that I missed the gear, but if I got that heel shifter, I can just stomp on it and should be good. And what I might do, I'm gonna go get me a scale. I got a little scale in there. My wife does for cooking. I'm gonna go get it, put these parts on it, and compare. Compare and see how much weight I'm gonna save. Now, what I'm about to show y'all, I went and got my wife's scale from the kitchen. I put it on grams. See what this one weighs. This is the factory one. I'm gonna put this box on here since it don't want to cooperate. I'm gonna zero it out. $164 grams. That's the stock shift linkage. carbon fiber one with the hardwire still attached to it. It is $113. Now, most people, I'm just having fun. It ain't like that's gonna save me a ton at the track, but I liked it, so I bought it. Like I said, it should be straightforward. So let's get it started. Oh, now the one thing I wanted to also talk about, and I'm on Caprime, I'm about to come around there to the camera. This one right here, look at how much play is in it. This is more of a rigid piece. This is more of a rigid piece. There's no play. There is some inside these outlets, but nothing major. Now what I'm going to do, of course, it has adjustments. I'm lining them up side by side to make sure the outlets is going to be the same length as the factory. I eyeballed it and got it close, and now I'm going to get it on. And once I get it to where I want it, then I will tighten it down. That one's good. So put this on it. All right. This one goes through the front. The whole bolt goes through the front, then the shift linkage, and then the nut, of course, on the back. See, it's got that extra little lip there that goes through so it'll sit flush, and then tighten it down. I'm gonna tighten it down, then I got this one back here, right there, and we'll be good. All right, that part's done. Now move over to the heel and toe shifter. I believe I'm gonna leave it there and ride it. I'm gonna leave it there and ride it, see how I like it. But there's the finished product, guys. Like I said, it wasn't gonna take long. Go back over the tools you needed. 7/16 wrench. I used a 7/16 socket. .3/16 Allen head. And that was it. That does just look, most people ain't even gonna notice it, but I wanted it, so got it. If you checked out the earlier video install, there's the transmission cover that I installed. This was a quick video of an install of the shift linkage, my toe heel shifter with the streamlined collection. Show it one more time. There's the shifter, there's the shift linkage. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.